Hello and welcome. My name is Mike from IPVanish, and today we are going to show you our link checker because our link checker is now available on the Android and iOS app. As the name suggests, the link checker is going to check your links. So what it basically does, it checks the links for hidden threats, malware or phishing attempts. And unlike basic URL scanners that normally rely on block lists, the IPVanish Link Checker performs deep link analysis using advanced scanning agents, AI, and also machine learning. And it does all that in a virtually safe environment, so you can be sure no harm comes to your device. Enough of that now. Let's just get started. I'll show you how to use it. First, log into the Android app. At the bottom, tap on Security to open the link checker. Now enter a URL and tap Check URL. The link checker processes the request. In this case, we see a big red box indicating the website is unsafe. The good thing is, it also checks for redirects and also external content. And it also provides additional details, such as this URL might be associated with activities like malware. Or malware, I never can pronounce that word correctly because of the German accent. Scrolling down, we see detected features like containing malicious URLs, using typo squatting, and other suspicious practices. There's even a screenshot of the website, giving us a clear picture of the risk. With the dynamic page scanning and the analysis, the IPVanish Link Checker might find hidden threats that other link checkers won't find. But next, let me show you how you check a URL directly from your email or an app. If you are unsure about a link in an email, simply hold down the link as if you were copying it, select Share Link, then choose the IPVanish app to scan the URL. The scan happens automatically, and now we see the results. This is another bad link. Now let's see what a safe link looks like. I will use the safest website in the world, IPVanish.com. Here we can see the results are all green, completely safe. So whether you are unsure about a URL, remember the IPVanish Link Checker is now available in your Android and iOS app. Our product manager Terry also has a video about the Link Checker where he goes a bit more into the technical details. We will link that in the descriptions. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. This is just the first of many updates that come to IPVanish in 2025. Have a nice day, stay secure online, see ya.